Hey YouTube, this is Eternal and I'll be doing a tutorial on how to get and play Pokemon Online on your Android phone. I'll be using my HTC Sensation for this tutorial. This will be a simple step-by-step tutorial showing you everything you need to know about the app. Step 1, you want to download the Pokemon Online app. This is a free app, you don't need to spend a penny for it. There are two ways of downloading this app. You can either download it from the Android market or from a quick response code on the main site of Pokemon Online. I would recommend downloading it from the QR code on the main site as there are no visible ads on that version. The link to the download page for the QR code is provided to you on the descriptions below, or you can pause the video here and scan the code. In order to scan the code, you will need an app such as a barcode scanner to scan the code. Simply scan the code and you'll be directed to the download page and the download will begin instantly. So here's my HTC Sensation. Now the first thing you want to do is go on the main site of Pokemon Online, go to downloads, installing Android, and you will see the thread, and here's the QR code on the thread. So simply open up your Android phone, alright, and go to your barcode scanner and simply scan that code. And once you've scanned it, click on it and instantly the download will begin and you will be able to download the client right there. To download from the Android market, just go to the market app, go to your search bar, type in Pokemon Online, and it should be the first one on top. Tap on it, tap on free, OK, and your download should begin instantly. Once you're done downloading the app, open the app, and the first thing you want to do is choose your username. So simply replace these random numbers up here with the desired username you want to choose. Don't choose a common name such as Ash, because that name may have already been taken, as you will be asked for a password. So choose a more unique name such as Ash, let's say 1337, and so you're done choosing your username. Once you're done choosing your username, you can either import one of your teams from your Pokemon Online game from your PC, which I will explain how to do that later, or you can connect to the server. In order to connect to the server, simply tap on the server you want to connect to. So I want to connect to Pokemon Online, so I'm just going to tap on Pokemon Online and then tap on connect to the server. If you're asked for a password, then that means that someone else has already taken your trainer name and you'll need to choose a new one. So next, now that you have connected to the server, swipe to the left to view the player list, which shows all the players that are online on the channel. Swipe all the way to the right to view the channel list of channels that users are chatting on. As an Android user, your default channel is going to be the PO Android channel. In order to change channel, simply tap on the channel, hold it, and you'll be asked to join that channel right there directly, and it will send you to the channel. For a full list of commands, just type in /commands, and you can view the server commands right there. It's a whole list of fun. Now, the main reason we downloaded this app is to take part of the online battling. In order to battle someone, you must click on the menu button, and you will see three options. The three options are Find Battle, Disconnect, and Tier Selection. Tap on Find Battle and you'll see three options. Checking Force Rated will allow you to have all your battles rated on the ladder. Checking Force Same Tier will allow you to get a battle with the same tier you're in. Checking Only Within Range will allow you to battle someone who is close to your rating or close to your current level. You will also see an empty bar to input your range. For finding battles efficiently, I would suggest placing a range of 300 there. Once you're done, tap on Find, and to find the battle depends on whether someone is online in the same tier as you. Now, how to battle. Battling is pretty easy. To choose a move, simply tap on the moves on the bottom. Holding the move will allow you to view the descriptions of the move. Swiping to the right will allow you to view your whole team. In order to switch out to another Pokemon, just simply tap on that Pokemon and voila, your Pokemon will be swapped. the what is going on in the battle is viewed on the middle. That's the battle log. It gives you information on what's going on the battle. Now that you know how to use the app and how to battle, you would want to know how to import your team from the Pokemon Online client on your PC. This app currently does not have a team builder. There will be a team building option in the future. So right now I'll teach you how to import your team from the Pokemon Online client on your PC. There are two ways of doing this. You can either import your team using a QR code or from the file placed on your SD card. If you're someone that only use one team, then you would prefer the efficient QR code method. But if you wish to use multiple teams, change up teams, then you would prefer the SD card method. I will explain the QR method first. Simply open the client and go to Team Builder. You will then see an option called Plugins on top. Click on it and click on Plugin Manager. You will then see an option called Add Plugin. Click on it and double click on the QR code plugin.dll, and now go back to the team builder. Load the team you wish to use on your Android mobile. So once you're done, click on plugins again and you'll see an option called export team to QR code. So you click that code and here you see the code. Now open your Pokemon Online app and tap on Import Team. Then tap on From QR Code and tap Import. Then scan the code from your PC screen and it should say that it was successfully imported. Now, the other method of importing multiple teams and changing teams whenever you want without having to scan your team's QR code every time is a bit more complicated, but I will try my best to make the procedure as easy as possible. First, what you want to do is create a new folder to import all your teams from. So I suggest choosing a very simple name for the folder such as teams to make the procedure easy. Then move all your saved teams from the Save Teams folder. So this is where I store all my teams. So I'm going to choose some of my teams to move onto the team folder that I would like to use on my Android mobile. So I'm going to move this team and say this team, these two teams, and let's move this team. So I've chosen my teams that I want to move onto my mobile app, and I'm going to rename these teams into simpler names just so the process is much easier for me to use. So I'm going to just name them Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4. It's very important to just name them as simple as possible with as few letters as possible. You can even name them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 because you're going to have to write these names down on your mobile app every time you want to change teams. So I suggest choosing simple names. Next, connect your Android phone to your computer. Open the removable disk drive where all your Android files are stored on, and move your new folder, the Teams folder that you've just created, onto your drive. And now that you've stored it onto your mobile phone, disconnect it. So go to your app. This time go to Import Team. Make sure it's on From File and tap Import. You will see this written on it, SD card. So the first thing you want to type in is the name of the folder. So the name I chose was Teams as my folder name, and then you want to add a / to that, and then you want to use the name of the team. So the name of the team that I chose was Team 1, so I'm going to use my Team 1 and tap Import, and it will say that it was successfully imported. So if I want to use a different team, then I would just go back to that, import, and change the name of the team to whatever team I want to use. So if I want to use a different team, let's say Team 2, then I'll use Team 2 this time. And you can change your trainer name up here again if you want to. I'll call myself Ash1337 and then connect to the server. So here's a quick battle that I just had on the ladder. I'm going to show you an example of how the battling works on this client. That's all you have to know about the basics of the app. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If this tutorial helped you out, then be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're having any problems or are experiencing any bugs, then please post it on the comments below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.